Hi, everybody. The purpose of this talk is just what the title of this talk says. I shall organize this talk into four questions. Question 1: what is math phobia? Math phobia is the feeling of confusion, scare, fear, boring, and aversion towards mathematics. Question 2: what is the cost of math phobia? Math phobia of a person affects both his personal life and also the community. Either for appreciation of art, or for pursuit of science, or for excellence in profession, or for managing affairs, mathematical thinking is vital. The quality of both inner and outer life depends not only on what we think, but more importantly on how you think. That poor mathematical abilities of individuals influence the community is revealed in the fact that the permanent nations of the Security Council invested heavily in their mathematics education and also general mathematical exposure of public. If you want to be a permanent member of the United Nations Security Council, I think you should first deserve before you desire. The builders of all great civilizations, including ancient India, are mathematicians. It is famously said that it is the mathematicians who won the World War II. Question 3: what are the causes of math phobia? In my opinion, there are causes at two levels. At a policy level, the curriculum is not inspiring, not very inspiring. Some unnecessary ingredients in curriculum that causes confusion, like Roman numerals and data handling for very young minds. Same curriculum for all, which makes it non-challenging to the talented minority. Highly centralized micro planning and resources that makes extraordinary local talent redundant. Micro is the keyword here. It is good that planning should happen centrally always. At an individual level, the student is not exposed to the skills that constitute mathematical thinking, having thinking that mathematics is just calculating. The biggest source of confusion in mathematics is symbolism. If a student is made to be aware of the meaning of every symbol in mathematics on a daily basis in classroom, it will go a very long way in revealing that math is powerful and beautiful. If a student develops math phobia, it only means that his mathematics teacher failed. Most of the people who complain of math phobia are actually gifted with mathematical brains. They just do not know it. No exaggeration at all. Most of our mothers in kitchens, gifted with mathematical brains, are so good in making wonderful recipes and managing relations, but end up in saying they are scared of and weak in mathematics. Question 4: how to deal with math phobia? Math phobia can be cured, not just prevented. The only way to cure a student, or any person for that matter, who thinks he has math phobia, is to make him experience the beauty and power of mathematics. Very easy thing to be done, not at all difficult. Once he becomes a man eater, there is no stopping him. Personally, it is fun and challenge to me to take a person who is scared and bored of math and in a day or two make him say that mathematics is beauty incarnate and probably recite the words of Keats: a thing of beauty is a joy forever. Let us try to make mathematics interesting at least at individual level, if not at a policy level. That is why the only objective of the LF Not Society is to fix right math to as many young minds as possible. Did not Palkiwala say that if institutes produce leaders, then leaders reproduce institutes? Thank you.